should we go? Ah! It's caving in! Oh! Hello, Facebookers. Welcome to Wheelie's World. Again, I'm in Susie with, this problem. So, what do we do? Yeah, so I haven't done for ages, but she's been in the garage. Because, need a bit of work done on her. She had new fan belts put on, and a new water pipe too. Altogether, cost bloody hell. It cost £270. It's not too bad at all for what we used to pay out on Bertha. But yeah, it's all done. Considering about snapped a few weeks ago. Started overheating, so booked some garage, got all done. It's been there for a week anyway. So yeah, it's all back, all good, running properly too. Away for the MOT next month, so it should pass first time. So everything's been done. New I've been doing. What it needs to do is have a bit of a tidy up. Put this thing back up properly. Might have a day out somewhere nice. The weather's turned out nice too. I think so too. Oh yeah, she's fine. She's running perfect. Even though there's no fuel in her, but we have to go and get some at some point. Yeah, needs a bit of tidy up. Let me show you. See, yeah, he's tidy up at the back. I want to get a proper curtain for the back window. Don't know what though. What to get? Let's have a look. Front part. It's good still. What I've also done under the bonnet is I've cured the rust under the bonnet. Actually under where the catch goes. Get rubbed down, use cure rust on it. Now I've got to paint over it in white. That'll look nice too. Hopefully soon. I might have to go and get some more. I don't know what I can tell you about this little wagon really. Let's have a look. Don't know if I showed you everything in this thing. Let's have a look. See, under here is... Oh, come on. Focus. Focus! It's a burner. Propane gas too. Does work. Here is... Come on, you can do it. Come on! Drawers. Down here. If you can see that. Storage. And there's a water container for the sink. Also needs fixing too. So bear with. Bear with! Got it. Pillows down there. Okay. Also, down here is exit toilet. So yeah, all is good at the moment. Not a bad little wagon, I suppose. But it's good to tidy up. So, nothing else to report. So yeah, we're all done. And if I go do any more journeys, we'll record them on maybe on dash cam, how we did with Bertha, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Yep, that's it for today, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.